Orcas, also known as killer whales, are magnificent creatures. They are highly intelligent and social animals. Living in tight-knit family groups called pods, orcas exhibit a fascinating array of behaviors. What's even more incredible is that these behaviors are often passed down through generations, forming unique traditions that vary between different pods. This, my friends, is the essence of orca culture, a captivating world of learned behaviors that sets them apart in the vast ocean. These traditions are not merely incidental, they are fundamental to the orca's way of life. Just as human cultures shape our identities and interactions, orca cultures influence their communication, hunting strategies, social structures, and overall survival. In the following sections, we'll dive deeper into this captivating world, exploring the specifics of orca culture and understanding why it's so crucial for their continued existence. Join me on this journey as we unravel the mysteries and appreciate the wonders of orca culture together. When we think of culture, we often associate it with human societies. We envision art, music, language, and customs. But culture, in its simplest form, is about learned behaviors shared within a group, and it's not unique to humans. Orcas, with their complex social structures and remarkable intelligence, demonstrate cultural behaviors that are both diverse and enduring. These behaviors are not hardwired instincts. They are learned traditions passed down from one generation to the next. Imagine a young orca calf, observing its elders and mimicking their actions. This is how orcas transmit knowledge, from intricate hunting techniques to unique vocalizations. These cultural adaptations are not random. They are often specific to the environment and prey types encountered by each pod. This blend of learned behaviors and environmental adaptation is what makes orca culture so fascinating and crucial for their survival. One of the most captivating aspects of orca culture is their complex communication system. Orcas are acoustic animals, relying heavily on sound to navigate, hunt, and socialize in the underwater world. What's truly remarkable is that different orca populations, much like human cultures, have developed distinct dialects, unique vocalizations that identify them as members of a specific group. These dialects are not merely variations in pitch or tone. They are intricate combinations of calls, whistles, and clicks that convey specific meanings within the pod. Imagine a chorus of sounds, each carrying vital information about food sources, potential threats, or simply maintaining contact with family members. These vocal traditions strengthen social bonds and ensure the pod's collective success in their marine environment. The diversity of dialects also highlights the adaptability of orca culture. For orcas, survival depends heavily on their ability to secure food. Hunting, therefore, is not just an act of necessity, but a carefully orchestrated event steeped in tradition and passed down through generations. Different orca populations have developed specialized hunting techniques, tailored to the specific prey available in their region. These techniques, honed over time and taught from elders to youngsters, embody the essence of cultural transmission in the animal kingdom. Consider, for instance, the orcas inhabiting the icy waters of the Arctic and Antarctic. These resourceful hunters have devised an ingenious method to catch seals resting on ice floes. Working collaboratively, they create powerful waves that wash the unsuspecting prey into the water, where they become an easy target. This remarkable display of coordinated hunting is a testament to the power of learned behavior and cultural adaptation in orca societies. It underscores how these traditions are not merely fascinating curiosities, but vital strategies for survival. The vast expanse of the ocean, while seemingly boundless, is also home to a mosaic of different orca communities. These communities, much like human cultures, don't exist in isolation. They interact, sometimes overlapping in their ranges, leading to fascinating instances of cultural exchange and even conflict. These encounters provide valuable insights into the fluidity and complexity of orca culture. Imagine two orca pods, each with their distinct dialects and hunting traditions coming into contact. These interactions can range from brief encounters to extended periods of coexistence, offering opportunities for cultural transmission. Sometimes pods may share hunting grounds and even engage in cooperative feeding. Other times, competition for resources might lead to conflict, with each pod fiercely defending its territory and cultural identity. These interpod dynamics highlight the dynamic nature of orca culture. constantly evolving and adapting in response to environmental and social pressures. Family lies at the heart of orca society, shaping their social structure. Orcas live in matrilineal societies led by the oldest females, the matriarchs. These wise elders pass down vital information about hunting grounds, migration routes, and social customs. The matriarch's role extends beyond survival. She is the guardian of the pod's cultural heritage. This structure fosters strong social bonds and efficient information transfer, vital for the pod's success. In the ever-changing ocean, adaptability is key to survival. This is where orca culture shines. Learned behaviors passed down through generations equip them to adjust to shifting conditions. Adapting hunting techniques and vocalizations, orcas show cultural evolution. This flexibility is a testament to their intelligence. Orcas are quick learners, observing and imitating behaviors. This adaptability ensures their success in a dynamic world. Section 8. Threats to tradition, human impacts on orca culture. While orcas have demonstrated an incredible ability to adapt and thrive over millennia, they now face unprecedented challenges, many stemming from human activities. These threats, ranging from habitat degradation and pollution to noise pollution and declining prey availability, have the potential to disrupt the delicate balance of orca societies and erode their rich cultural heritage. Imagine, for instance, the impact of noise pollution from shipping traffic on orca communication. These acoustic disturbances can drown out the intricate calls and whistles that form the foundation of their social interactions and cultural transmission. Similarly, the decline of salmon populations, a vital food source for many orca communities, can disrupt their traditional hunting grounds and foraging patterns, potentially leading to cultural loss. As we continue to impact the marine environment, it's crucial to recognize the far-reaching consequences of our actions on orca culture and implement measures to mitigate these threats. Section 9. Conservation through culture, protecting orca heritage. Protecting orca culture is not just about preserving fascinating behaviors. It's about safeguarding the very essence of these incredible animals. Recognizing the importance of their cultural heritage is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. By understanding the unique traditions, dialects, and social structures of different orca populations, we can tailor conservation efforts to meet their specific needs. This means adopting a holistic approach that considers not just their physical well-being, but also their cultural integrity. Protecting critical habitats, mitigating noise pollution, and ensuring sustainable fisheries management are just a few examples of how we can create a future where orcas can continue to thrive and pass on their rich cultural heritage to generations to come. By embracing a conservation approach that values and protects orca culture, we can help ensure the long-term survival of these magnificent creatures. Section 10. A call to action. Our role in preserving orca traditions. The future of orca culture rests not just in the hands of scientists and conservationists, but in the actions of every individual. We all have a role to play in protecting these intelligent and culturally rich creatures. By learning more about orcas and the threats they face, we can become more informed advocates for their protection. Supporting organizations dedicated to orca conservation, reducing our own environmental footprint, and spreading awareness about the importance of orca culture are all meaningful steps we can take. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can contribute to a healthier ocean and a brighter future for orcas and their remarkable cultural traditions. Remember, even small actions can make a big difference when it comes to protecting our planet's biodiversity. Section 11. Looking towards the future. Hope for orcas and their culture. Despite the challenges facing orcas today, there is still hope for their future. By recognizing the value of their cultural heritage and working together to mitigate the threats they face, we can create a future where orcas and their remarkable traditions continue to thrive. Imagine a world where the haunting calls of orcas echo through healthy oceans, their cultural legacy passed down through generations, a testament to their resilience and our commitment to their protection. This vision of a future where orcas flourish is within our reach, but it requires a collective effort. By embracing our responsibility to protect these incredible animals and their unique cultures, we can ensure that the symphony of orca songs continues to grace our oceans for generations to come. Let's act now, with compassion and determination, to create a future where both orcas and humans can thrive in harmony with the natural world.